for?
I don't know.
Let me take a picture.
Let's see this.
Where would it go?
The Thomas? No. Just want to see it. What is it? Yes, it is Thomas. Oh, yeah.
For your train.
Told you, Luke.
You want to go at the same time?
Thomas. Yes.
Okay, go same time.
At the same time. We're right here together, so we'll go at the same time.
It's called a Thomas.
All right.
Princess and the Frog.
You got Princess and the Frog. I got a book. Decision Points by George W. Bush.
Michael.
All right, your turn.
Right.
Since you don't have anything to read for the next 2 weeks.
That's right. I do now.
Jesse's turn.
We've seen most of that.
Looking forward to reading now.
Hey. Jesse, you know how fun times over there. What? Jesse, where's your stuff?
What did he get? He's still opening a present.
Toy Story 3.